cabbage with eggs, for a quick and delicious dinner. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 100 grams of ham. Next, I will cut 150 grams of mozzarella into slices, and then into strips. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe with cabbage, I'd love to know. Done that, with the aid of a meat hammer, I will beat on some cabbage leaves to open well. The amount of cabbage will depend on how many units of the recipe you will make. In my case, I will use 5 leaves. Now in a container, I will put 3 eggs, a teaspoon of salt, and I will mix everything well. The result of this recipe is amazing, you will love it. Then I will add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, and I will mix everything again until it becomes a dough. Once this is done, I will pass our cabbage in the dough, this way to make sure that the dough catches on the entire sheet. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every week. Now I will put a tablespoon of butter in a pan to grease. Make this recipe at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. That done, I will put the cabbage leaves in the pan to fry. When I get to that point, I'm gonna turn, and when I fry the other side, I'm gonna take it out of the pan. Now I'm going to put the fried cabbage on a surface, add a piece of ham, a little mozzarella, a piece of tomato, and I'm going to roll it very well, this way. Then I will repeat the process. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Henry and Gravenstein from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Then I'll transfer the cabbages to a tray. This recipe has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too. Finally, I will bake at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. This recipe is amazing. It is perfect for any meal, from a quick and easy breakfast to a differentiated dinner. It's fast, easy, few ingredients, and it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.